Whoa, welcome back. I hope by the time you guys are watching this that hopefully the web store is completed. If it's not in the description down below, then it's not. But check it out, guys. I finally got the merchandise. The merch is here. Yes, that's right. The merch is here. Finally, I got pretty much everything I should at this point, other than maybe a couple things I need to tweak on the website and PayPal so that you guys can place your orders. I've been busy the past couple days, which is why I haven't been uploading, and I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to get in the rhythm of uploading even when I am busy, but it's a very difficult balance between uploading stuff that you guys want to see versus like, you know, keeping it up to date with my life, you know, like finding that balance because I don't want to bore you guys to death. I also picked up something for the Evo, which is actually going to be another install video coming very soon. Let me go out and grab it real quick so you guys know what I'm talking about. I ended up getting this thing, this ACT clutch kit for my car. As you guys know, the clutch is slipping in my car a little bit. I ended up going with the ACT HDSS, which is like the street car one, I guess. I said that terribly. It's like the street racing clutch, if that makes sense. So it's capable of holding 510 pound-feet of torque. It's gonna hold what I want out of the car very achievably. It's not gonna make 500 pound-feet of torque. So very briefly, before we roll out and go to Tuner Evo, which is a really big car show, I just want to give a huge shout out to all of you guys for watching the videos. Anyone who picks up apparel or merch or any of my future things, or even comes back to just watch these videos and hit the like button, it really means a lot. Not gonna lie, I'd be lying if I said I didn't miss my STI. It's always heartbreaking to see one. Very clean car though. Shout out to you, dude. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Could I get a venti iced coffee? So you know, with vanilla and half an hour?
Anything else for you today?
No, thank you. I didn't drive this car to Starbucks because it needs gas, like you guys can imagine. And I had to come home and change anyway because that jacket I was wearing was way too hot, and the show's indoors. Yup, gas lights on like usual. I forgot that most shows are always cash only, so I need to find a spot where I can get some cash for the parking fee. Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank
Here
you.
for the car show, right?
Yeah. Look at this contraption. What the hell? This guy's crazy. So finally parked. We're heading to the show right now. Some guy in the parking lot that was trying to give me a space said the show is relatively small. It started like an hour late because there's something going on with the fire marshal. He didn't really explain it just because we talked very briefly. Okay, I don't know where the elevator's at, so we're gonna take these stairs in hopes that we can find it. What the heck? I've been here before for a car show too. I think I kind of know my way around this place. I'm pretty sure it's floor 1, and it's like kind of underground the way you go, and then you take an elevator back up to the show. So we made it to the show, actually $36 later. It was $16 to park and $20 to get in. I'm not saying that because I'm complaining, I'm just stating that it's just really expensive to see cars. $36 is a little too much in my opinion. What I like to know normally do is walk around everywhere, get a vibe for the show. So far the show's really sick. It's just really, really congested. I see a lot of the same cars too, but that's because I go to a lot of these events anyway. But it's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to find some homies that are in the show. I know I got a couple friends that actually have their cars here. Cinematics, but I'm trying my best to get you guys a good recap of all the cars. I'm trying to film as much as I possibly can while not bumping into people because it's super crowded here. Alright, so we ran into my Korean brother Adrian right here. He's in the show right now. Let's see your car right now. You got new...
My baby? It's my baby?
Alright. Seeing you.
Hey, bro.
Next time. So I ran into a subscriber, Abraham. He's got an Evo 10. Nice meeting you, dude. Yeah, take care.
Hey, man. You should get your sponsor, man.
Alright, so we met up with the booty hustler himself, Mr. Gary. He's not very stoked. Why are you not stoked right now, Gary?
I've just had to pay $16 for parking. Now I've got to pay $25 to get into FuckboyCon. That's a total of almost $40 to see a bunch of bunk-ass cars I've probably already seen. And they're probably half-ass done. And I swear, if I see any cars with zip ties that aren't like track cars, if all these are show cars,
yeah,
and we're in here and they're like, hey, you gotta pay. I've already been listening.
There you go, you heard it from the man himself.
And it's Sunday, it's the Lord's Day. You should let me just in.
There we are, we're here with the man, the myth, the legend. Gary's walking around. Let's see, Gary's review of Tuner Evo is gonna go down.
First step, I walked in here, it's musty as fuck. It smells like wet ball sack and damn towels. You see that? There's no LS in this car, all RB25. Very, very nice car. You can find some more Nissan quality non-swap Chevy cars. We hit with a Z31 and another 240 Z-Max. See so much. We're in the midst of the energy. We here live with my boy Robert Kanakis and his Sonic the Hedgehog car. You know, it sounds like a motherfucking Dawson vacuum cleaner, but it's pretty solid. He's a pretty solid guy. Follow at Stay Crushin' for your steak tips, meat and stuff.
Steak.
This is the man right here. He sucks at cars, so he switched to a whole new caliber of fuckery. He's like the Guy Fieri of Scions.
Guy Fieri? I'm not Guy Fieri. What the fuck?
Can I sit in here?
I don't think you're gonna fit.
Which seats are these?
The Type L.
Oh, what waist size are you? Hey, little man, what's your name? Gary, this is my boy Robert. This is his car.
What's up, man?
Go ahead, get in there. I feel like a real boy for today. Yeah, there you go.
Because he can't fit.
No, I can't. Gary, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. What's up, man?
Son?
How you doing? Good beer.
You ready? Ready for one?
Alright guys, like this video if you guys want Gary to get a Honda.
I thought I'd never say the day that all the Hondas here are more proper than all the technically expensive cars.
People are gonna get mad at that.
I don't care if they get mad. It's like, you can say what you want, you've transitioned into what you want, but quality's quality, you know? People spend their money on bunk ass coilovers and buy nice wheels with cheap tires. Like, the scene's gotta change. That's like you running on the track with no shoes. You just wanna look tight because you got a Supreme sweater on. It doesn't work that way.
Sticker with Goku on it.
I love these GT inspired cars.
Shout out to Gary for giving me a ride in the pre.
For all the time, bro. You know what I'm saying? Anytime
we're
you
gonna
need
go ride.
some sick
too.
gas mileage, holla at your boy.
Currently editing the video you guys are watching and realize I never closed it out. Thank you guys for making it to this point. I think that this year was the first Tuner Evo, if I'm not mistaken, and actually was really, really good. I try to get you guys a dope little recap of the event, show you guys a bunch of dope cars, and of course have the man himself, Mr. Gary, have some funny jokes in there. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give this video a like. It really helps share the video a lot. Like I said, I'm going to try to have the website hopefully up and running soon. Just be patient. I have all of your guys' stuff. It is actually all in this box right here. I'm limited to about 34 units. These are all large size, black. And I have no doubt in my mind that they all are going to sell incredibly fast. So if you guys want one, be sure to just stay tuned on my Instagram and Snapchat and everything. I'll let you guys know as soon as you guys can purchase things and you guys can swoop it and I will send it out for you. As always guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Work hard, stay humble. See you guys all in the next video. Peace out.